Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Reishi Tincture using a dual extraction method. This process ensures you capture both alcohol-soluble and water-soluble compounds from the mushroom, maximizing its beneficial properties. We'll cover everything from preparing your Reishi to combining the final extracts. It's a straightforward process that yields a powerful herbal remedy for your wellness routine. Let's get started on crafting your own potent Reishi tincture at home. First, gather your dried Reishi mushrooms. You'll want to break them down into smaller, more manageable pieces. Grinding them into a coarse powder or small chips increases the surface area, which is crucial for efficient extraction. Aim for about 50 grams of this prepared Reishi. This initial step is vital for ensuring that you get the most out of your mushrooms during the extraction phases. Now, for the alcohol extraction. Place your 50 grams of prepared Reishi into a clean glass jar. Pour 500 milliliters of high-proof alcohol, such as 80 proof or higher, over the mushrooms. Seal the jar tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. Remember to give the jar a good shake every day. This helps the alcohol thoroughly extract the beneficial compounds from the Reishi. After the alcohol extraction, strain the liquid and set it aside. Take the spent Reishi solids and simmer them in 500 milliliters of distilled water for at least 2 hours. Strain this water extract, pressing out all the liquid. Finally, combine the strained alcohol extract with the strained water extract. This blend is your potent dual-extracted Reishi tincture, ready for use. Store it in dark glass bottles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.